Welcome to the ACA Learn English Fast channel. In today's video, we're going to explore some of McQueen's most iconic phrases and vocabulary, and we'll show you how to use them in real-life conversations to make your English sound more natural and fun. What you'll learn: McQueen's iconic catchphrases and their meanings add style, energy, and personality to your speech. How to use them in daily conversations. Speak with confidence and attitude like a pro. Motivational phrases and commentary. Stay inspired, push your limits, and own your words. So, are you ready to get motivated and to speak like a pro? Sit back, buckle up, and let's dive in.
Hey, what are you doing?
It's okay, Sheriff. You can trust me, right?
I trust you, all right. It's him I'm worried about.
I trust him. Come on, let's take a drive.
A drive?
Yeah, a drive. Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No. No, we don't.
Hey, stickers! You coming or what?
And you thought he was gonna run.
Hey, can you believe it, man? He actually thought Doc was a famous race car. So too much.
Okay, you got me out here. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Jake's not making it easy on him today.
Oh, man, he lost so much momentum, and now he's gonna have to chase him back down.
Oh, McQueen spins out in the infield.
Just me and the old man, fellas.
McQueen just doesn't have it today. Hey, kid, you all right?
I don't know, Mac. I don't think
I didn't come all this way to see you quit.
Doc? Guys, you're here. I can't believe this.
I knew you needed a crew chief, but I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well, I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm good.
All right, if you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut. Now get back out there. Hot snot, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boys. You're going to have to be fast.
They will not know what beat them.
Kid,
You can beat these guys. Find the groove that works for you and get that lap back.
Now, let's take a look at the meanings of these words and phrases, and how to use them in real life. Sheriff, a law enforcement officer responsible for maintaining order, especially in smaller towns or rural areas. Example: the sheriff arrived at the crime scene to investigate the robbery. Trust me, a phrase used to assure someone that you are telling the truth or giving reliable advice. Example: trust me, this shortcut will save us at least 10 minutes. Worried about, feeling anxious or concerned about something or someone. Example: she was worried about her final exam results. Take a drive, to go for a ride in a vehicle, often for relaxation or to reach a destination. Example: let's take a drive to the countryside and enjoy the fresh air. Big city race cars refers to high-speed race cars commonly associated with professional racing events in large cities. Example: the roar of the big city race cars filled the stadium as the race began. Not making it easy on him today, making a situation more challenging or difficult for someone. Example, the defenders are not making it easy on him today, blocking every shot he takes. Momentum, the force or speed gained by a moving object or a person's progress in a competition or task. Example, after scoring 2 goals, the team had the momentum to win the match. Chase him back down, to pursue or catch up with someone, especially in a competitive setting. Example, he fell behind in the race but managed to chase him back down in the final lap. Spin out of the infield, in racing, when a car loses control and spins off the track into the grassy or inner area of the racetrack. Example, the driver lost control and spun out of the infield, ending his chances of winning. Quit, to stop doing something permanently, often due to frustration or failure. Example, he quit his job because he wanted to start his own business. Never come back, to leave a place or situation permanently without returning. Example, after losing the championship, he said he would never come back to racing. You can win this race with your eyes shut, a phrase implying that someone is so skilled or experienced that they can succeed effortlessly. Example, you've practiced so much that you can win this race with your eyes shut. Professional pit crew, a team of highly trained mechanics who quickly service and repair race cars during a race. Example, the professional pit crew changed the tires in just a few seconds, keeping the driver in the lead. That's all for today. Now you know how to talk like a pro in real life. Try using these phrases in your daily conversations and see how fun English can be. Which phrase is your favorite? Comment below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun lessons, and share this with a friend who loves cartoons. Happy learning!